in every corner of our planet.
From the mist-shrouded jungles of the Amazon to the frozen silence of the Arctic tundra, birds bring the world to life with their color, song, and flight. They are Earth's living jewels, creatures of elegance and mystery, shaped by millions of years of evolution. In this documentary, we embark on a global journey to discover the planet's most beautiful birds, the dazzling hummingbirds that hover like airborne gems, the exotic birds of paradise with their mesmerizing dances, and the regal eagles that soar across mountain peaks. Their feathers are not just ornaments, but tools of survival and symbols of identity. Their calls are not just sounds, but languages of warning, seduction, and celebration. From courtship rituals as elaborate as any human performance to migrations that span continents, birds reveal the extraordinary depth of nature's design. Stunning avian life is more than a visual spectacle. It is a testament to the fragility and resilience of our natural world, and a call to protect the wild beauty that still soars above us. Birds are nature's living masterpieces, embodiments of grace, color, and song. From the iridescent plumage of tropical species to the snowy elegance of Arctic flyers, this journey celebrates the world's most breathtaking birds and the diverse ecosystems they call home. More than just beauty, these avian marvels reflect the resilience, intelligence, and wonder of life on Earth. Stunning Avian Life, a journey into Earth's most beautiful birds, invites you into the vibrant and delicate world of the planet's most breathtaking birds. From the shimmering feathers of tropical hummingbirds to the regal display of peacocks and the mysterious beauty of birds of paradise, this journey celebrates the incredible diversity of avian life. These winged wonders not only dazzle with their colors and songs, but also reveal the intricate connections between nature, evolution, and survival in every corner of the globe. Stunning Avian Life, a journey into Earth's most beautiful birds, is a celebration of the breathtaking diversity, color, and majesty found in the avian world. Across every continent and ecosystem, birds have evolved into some of the most strikingly beautiful and ecologically important creatures on the planet. From the jewel-toned hummingbirds darting among Andean blossoms to the extravagant plumes of the birds of paradise, hidden in the rainforests of Papua New Guinea, their forms seem crafted by nature's most artistic hand. The iridescent blues of the Indian peafowl, the fiery reds of the scarlet macaw, and the surreal elegance of the snowy owl remind us that beauty in nature is both a means of survival and a source of wonder. These birds captivate not just through sight, but through sound,